In this video we're going to terminate a 45 connector onto RJ6 cable. For this you're going to need RJ45 crimpers, a jacket stripper, a small flathead screwdriver, and scissors. So we're going to start with taking the jacket off the end of the cable. Take about an inch or so of the cable off, spin it once, fold, break, and your jacket comes off. Inside you'll find your 4 pairs and your pull string, which is used to rip the jacket out for different purposes. So you're going to cut that off. Since this is Cat 6 cable, in between the pairs you'll find a divider. Cut your divider out carefully. Spread out your 4 pairs. You'll need to untwist each pair and straighten them out. Once you have your pair straightened out, decide which termination type you're going to use. In this case, we're going to use 568B, which will be white-orange, orange, white-green, blue, white-blue, green, white-brown, brown. So put those 4 pairs all together, so you have all 8 wires in the same order. Make sure they're nice and straight to go into the connector easier. Take your scissors, cut back about a ½ inch. Take your RJ45 with the flat side facing up in this orientation. Carefully slide the wire into there, making sure that you don't mess up the order. Check it before you terminate. What you want to make sure you do, for this to hold correctly, this right here is what crimps down to hold the cable into the connector. You want to make sure that the jacket goes in far enough to get underneath that so that the crimp holds the jacket of the cable. Take your crimpers onto the 45 side, slide it into there, firmly push in and then squeeze. And then when you pull it out, take it out carefully, and that is your 45 termination.